You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French, a word from French that has been borrowed in English. That's also used in English. It's around a candle or a chandelier. The French pronunciation, Bobèche. Bobèche. Bobèche, CH is pronounced like SH, so Bobèche in English. This is a word that exists and it's pronounced Bobèche. Some may say it a bit more as Bobèche as well, but generally Bobèche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.